Now, keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
All right, George back now, and we know it's hot, but didn't know you could do something like this with the heat.
A little science experiment. This is a pizza parlor in Sand Springs, Minutemen Pizza. So what they decided to do, because it's so hot, they wondered, could you cook a pizza on top of a dashboard in a van?
And the answer?
This is what it looked like when they put it on. This is a little 10-inch pizza in a little metal pan. And as you go throughout the afternoon, you can see it kind of melting away. And there is the finished product. So, yes, you can.
Yeah.
Now, this took about 3 hours. It was probably about 150-degree temperature for 3 hours. But there you see the results. Smiles all around. And it actually had a crispy crust. So there you go. For today, hot again. 95 at noon, 102 at 3, and 104 degrees at 5 p.m. The weather is more humid than it was this morning. 92 degrees with a heat index of 95, south wind at 10 miles per hour. Temperatures around the rest of Green Country. We now have upper 90s showing up into Creek County, in Bristow, and also in Okmulgee where it's 97. 92 in Bartlesville, hot 95 toward Grand Lake, 94 in Pryor. You're floating the Illinois River today. Temperatures also in the 90s right now. South and southwest wind of near 10 to 15 miles an hour as we work our way into the afternoon. So a bit of a breeze, but not overly breezy. Futurecast, or actually the satellite view, looks like a blank map across Oklahoma. No large areas of clouds or rain showing up anywhere nearby. One thing we're also seeing is that this heat wave is gradually expanding east and north. Look at Chicago. They will see temperatures near 100 today, even into Chicago. St. Louis will also be over 100 today. You can also see the hot weather, Little Rock, Shreveport, Dallas, and also down toward Houston. Futurecast, we'll go ahead and show it to you. It's not going to be too exciting, though, with the sunshine today. South and southwest wind at 5 p.m. Temperatures well over 100 across Green Country. Rather uneventful weather tonight. Clear and warm with the south and southwest breeze. Then as we work our way into tomorrow, basically the same forecast. However, Futurecast is actually trying to show a few small clouds developing. Most of us, though, will be remaining dry. 104 this afternoon, sunny and hot. We have heat advisories, excessive heat warnings, and an ozone alert in effect for Tulsa County. Around the rest of Green Country, few temperatures could be as hot as 105 today. 101 to Grove and 101 into Pryor. Then coming up tonight, clear and warm with a low of 75 and a south wind at 10 miles an hour. And we'll see some lower 70s showing up outside of Tulsa. Your 7-day forecast certainly looks like the middle of summer. Looks more like the middle of summer than late June. Highs at an over 100. Now for the weekend looks to be dry. It won't be quite as hot as the high pressure area won't be as intense. Temperatures, though, still running about 10 degrees warmer than normal. Next week also looks hot and dry, near 100 degrees. So the doggies like to do what they can to keep cool. And this is Dolores Owens' doggie, keeping cool in the doggy pool.
Smart pup. All right.
And we ran a story earlier. If you do put water on your dogs, you're supposed to use lukewarm water, not cold water. A little tip there.
Teaching you things this morning.
Thanks, George.